Are you planning to clear Power BI exam this year? Then this video is for you. So PL300 is a Microsoft certified Power BI Data Analyst Associate exam. And if you are planning to clear this in this particular year, 2026, then you should watch this till the end. So you can see here that this is the exam. The exam code is PL300. This is a Power BI Data Analyst Associate exam. So this is for intermediate. Even if you are learning Power BI, then it's fine. You can try to achieve this exam. And the main role which they are covering in this particular certification is data analyst. If you want to become a data analyst, you should try this exam. Okay. And the renewal period is 12 months. Every year you have to renew this exam. And here you will be learning Power BI. And the primary subject is data analytics. I'll be showing you what are the key skills which are required if you want to complete this exam, and what are the various process which you should follow. What are the various labs and exercises you should try to try this exam, to attempt this exam. So I have prepared a clear strategy in order to clear this particular exam. You can see here you have nearly 4 skills, important skills, which is measured in this exam. So if you just scroll down, you can see here that you should know how to prepare the data for analysis. You should know how to model the data, visualize and analyze the data, manage and secure Power BI. So these 4 key skills are really required in order to complete this exam, in order to try this exam. So this on according to this 4 learning path, I have clearly designed a strategy. Okay. So this is prepare the data, which you can expect nearly 25 to 30% of the question in prepare data for analysis. And for prepare data for analysis, this is the learning path. And in this learning path, you have nearly 3 modules. Okay. Even before appearing, like even before like learning this particular prepare the data, you should know what is data analytics. This is a very important skill which every data analyst should know. What is data analytics? Like what is a data analysis is all about? What are the roles involved in data analysis? And what is the difference between the data engineer, data scientist, like data analyst, and everything which you will be learning in this particular module. Okay. And then you will be understanding how to build with Power BI. So you will be, downloading and installing Power BI in this particular module. And then you should learn what is Microsoft Fabric, which is, I'll give you an overview of what is Microsoft Fabric, and then getting started with the Copilot in the Microsoft Power BI. So this is a basic learning path, which is really. So in this learning path, you'll be understanding what is data analytics and all these things. And for this, for each module, you have 6 units. For each module, you can see you have 6 units to complete, and there are no exercises for the first module because it's a introduction part. Okay. And you can see here you have to check your knowledge check you have, and module assessments are there. And I have also added how many hours you require in order to complete your first learning path. You really required at least 2 hours to complete it, to understand clearly. And you can start recording your start date when you have started and when you have completed, if you have any deviations. So here it is mentioned like 36 minutes. In that case, if you have started on this particular date, for example, if you are starting today, then you should have completed it today itself. And if you couldn't complete it today, then what is the deviation? You can write it here. And if you have completed, just go ahead and click complete. If you have partially completed, give partial, or if you are yet to complete, just give yet to complete. So this is about your first learning path, which is get started with Microsoft Data Analytics. Okay. Next comes prepare your data. So this prepare your data is here. This is the prepare your data. And you can see here, this is what the learning path for prepared data for analysis with Power BI. So you can see here that this is prepare data analysis for Power BI. You have 3 modules in it. Okay. And you have nearly 13 modules in the first 13 units in the first module, 10 units in the second module. And you can see here you have nearly 8 units in the third module. And for each module, you have exercise. For the first 2 modules, you have exercise. Okay. And the third module has module assessment. And in order to complete this particular, this particular thing, this particular learning path you have to complete within 4 hours. You can say it's a 4 hours. And the next comes your model the data. Okay, so for modeling the data, you have nearly 7 modules in that. Okay, in model data learning path, you have 7 modules, and each module has its own, like units. And you have nearly a lot of exercises in the third module. You have to give importance to the third module, and it involves, DAGs, how to connect with the tables, semantic models, and visual calculations, and all these things. This is very important, and here you can see check your knowledge for all these modules. And this is how it will take at least 5 hours to complete this particular 5 to 6 hours to complete this particular module. Next comes visualize and analyze data. Here you will be understanding how to build better reports for your data, what kind of visual you have to use for the data, and how to create a reports, how to enhance the report, how to perform analytics in the Power BI, and all these things. So these are the 4 modules involved in this visualize the data, and you have 3 exercises, and you have check your knowledge. And finally, you have manage and secure Power BI, in which you will be understanding what is a workspace. Like once you publish your data to the Power BI services, how you can manage it, like how to use a row level security, semantic models in Power BI, um, content distributions method, create a dashboards, and all these things. Okay, so this is very important, and here you have nearly like 5 modules in this, and you have 2 exercises involved, and you have to check your knowledge as well. So in order to complete all these learning path, you have to spend at least 22 hours, because here it is 21 hours 18 minutes. But let us just take a buffer time. You can complete it within 22 hours. If you are learning for the first time, what I can say is understand clearly each and every module. So from today, let us start learning from the first learning path. So from today till every day until we complete this, I'll be posting the videos on each and every module. Let us to try to complete this. Like once, if you are joining with me for this training session, and if you have completed, if you have joined the entire training session, and if you have completed successfully, then I'll be giving you 50 percentage coupon in order to write the exam. Okay, this is what the mission. And I'll be explaining each and every lab, each and every module step by step, so that you can easily clear the exam. So this complete training session will be completed by Jan end. Okay, so that you can appear for the exam in the February. So I'll teach you a few things, and also I'll give you some exercises to try, or I'll give you some self-learning link or materials to study before you come to the next session, so that you will learn and come back to ask me questions. Okay. So all the best and happy new year for everyone. Let's start this new year with better learning strategies and better good targets to complete. So all the best. Take care. Bye bye.